As you can see here, we have generated over $2.2 million revenue for our Walmart mature seller central, and we have shipped over 84,000 orders over the last 2 years via FBM warehouse model. Here, as you can see, we have generated over 600K revenue over the last 2 years in our mature Amazon seller central via FBM warehouse model.
Hey guys, my name is Mohammed Wasim Nasir. I'm the CEO and founder of SKYNET Joy e-commerce agency. I have started my career back in 2018 via Fiverr. My first project on Fiverr was $10. From 2018 to current 2023, these 5 years were quite amazing because I have learned so many skills from website design and development to video editing to social media marketing to current e-commerce automation expert. In these 5 years, I have completed over 300 plus projects and I have dealt more than like 100 plus e-commerce clients and businesses. SKYNET Joy e-commerce agency has 2 main departments, e-commerce and digital marketing. In e-commerce, we are offering services for Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, Shopify via warehouse model. Moreover, we are also offering B2B warehousing services. In e-commerce department, we have dealt over 300 plus clients and have generated over $5 million plus revenue via both local and international clients. In digital marketing, we are offering services for website design and development, search engine optimization, content writing, graphic designing, and video editing. In digital marketing, we have completed over 500 plus projects for both local and international clients, and we have generated over $40,000 revenue. You can collab with us if you have a good capital budget for e-commerce, including Amazon and Walmart, or if you have business clients and business accounts. Moreover, if you reside in United States, you can also collab with us for B2B warehousing opportunities. You can also collab with us if you're an expert digital marketer, social media content creator, or influencer. You can contact with us via the links given in the description for both collaboration and B2B services. Thank you.